Zelle app review. Zelle is a peer-to-peer, P2P payment app that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts using just an email address or phone number. It is widely used in the US and is integrated into many major banks' mobile apps, making transfers fast and convenient. But to use Zelle app, users must have a US bank account to send or receive money. The recipient must also be enrolled in Zelle to receive funds. As for its limitations and no buyer protection, it's not recommended for paying businesses or strangers. It has no international transfers, it works only with US banks. At last, no credit card support, the transfers are made only via linked bank accounts. Proceeding to the key features that it has. Going on, our number one is no fees. The Zelle itself doesn't charge users for sending or receiving money. And for the second, that is bank integration, it works with many U.S. banks, so users don't need to download a separate app if their bank supports Zelle. At last is easy to use, you can just enter the recipient's phone number or email, and the money goes straight to their bank account. Since we are nearly reaching the end of this review, I will tell you what's the pros and cons of this app. Going on, our first is the pros. It has a fast transactions. The money transfers are almost instant, typically within minutes. It has no fees, the Zelle itself doesn't charge fees for sending or receiving money. As well as bank integration, it's available directly within many banking apps, making it convenient. At last, simple and secure, it requires only an email or phone number to send, receive payments. As for the cons, it is limited to US banks, it's not available for international transactions. It has no purchase protection, unlike PayPal, Zelle doesn't offer fraud protection for purchases. As well as no credit card support, the transfers must be done via linked bank accounts. And lastly, it's irreversible transactions, if you send money to the wrong person, you might not get it back. And that's about it about my review in this app. I hope this been helpful to you somehow, and if yes, please like and subscribe. Also feel free to comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it. See you again in the next video.